Hello students, we're going to learn some review material from taxes, from percentages, taxes, commissions, fees and other real world percent problems. This is a review of what we did the last week of school. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to do question A, B and C as an example. Let's read this. It's asking us how are each of the following percent applications different and how are they the same. So basically asking if they're the same or they're different. Solve each problem and then compare your solutions. All right. First question A. Silvio earns 10% for each car sale he makes while working at a used car dealership. If he sells a used car for $2,000, what is his commission? Now, if he was making a commission of 10% and a car was $100, he would earn $10. But it's not $100, it's percent. So I'm going to change it into percent. So 10% for every $100. But his car is used car is sold for $2,000. Now I can use the proportional method to find this, which is part over whole is equal to percent over 100. Substituting, I would get, I don't know what the part is, and that's what we are asked to find, because his commission is the part, the whole car price is the whole. So I know what the whole is, which is $2,000, is equal to 10%. Alright, so let's do the butterfly method. This is going to give me 100p is equal to 20,000 divided by 100 on both sides. That's what we do for equations. I'm going to get P, which is the commission, equals to $200. So he would make $200 as commission. That's my final answer. Next question. Two's family stayed at a hotel for 10 nights on their vacation. The hotel charged 10% room tax per night. Let's do some highlighting. So there's 10%. Oops, let's change the color. Why do I always choose orange? I have no idea. 10% room tax per night. How much did they pay in room taxes if their room cost $200 per night? So let's see. This is important because they stayed for 10 nights, $200 per room. We can use let's see, we can use this proportional method. So let's try that. Before we use the 10 nights, we have to find for one night. For one night, so P over 200, P is the part, 200 is the whole, is equal to 10 over 100 because 10%. Okay. So if I do my butterfly method, I forgot to show you the butterfly method here. Okay. I'm going to get, let's use another color, 100p is equal to 2,000. Divide both sides by 100 because that's the coefficient. P is equal to 20. Now we are not done here because this has to be taken into consideration. So if this, for one night it was $20, for 10 nights they paid $200 multiplied by 10, and that's my answer. In these cases, I am going to highlight my answers so I know where to look when I want to compare them. Okay, next question. Eric bought a new computer and printer online. He had to pay 10% in shipping fees. Notice they're all 10%. The items, so let's highlight this, different color. 10% in shipping fees. The items totaled $200. Sorry, $2,000. All right, let's see how much did he pay in shipping cost. Now, basically, if you're starting this, you have to introduce the variable. So let me do that right now. We should have been doing that for the previous two problems. I'm sorry that I forgot. Let P be the shipping cost for the comp and printer. Okay, so if P, that's where P stands for. It could be part 2, but in this case my P is this. Okay, is equal to 10%, and the whole is $2,000. So 100P is equal to 1010 divided by 100 on both sides. P is equal to 200. And that's just one item, so let's highlight that. Okay, the next one is Selena had her wedding rehearsal dinner at a restaurant. The restaurant's policy is that gratuity is included in the bill for large parties. Her father said the food and service were exceptional, so he wanted to leave an extra 10% tip. Total amount of the bill. If the dinner bill totaled $2,000, how much money did her father leave as extra tip? Okay, so the dinner bill is $2,000, and let's introduce. Let P be the extra tip. Oops. So P over the whole, which is $2,000, is equal to 10% of 100. Any ideas how much this is going to be? Okay, let's do it. Different color. We get the chance, we use all the colors. 100P is equal to 2,000. That's 20,000. Divide by 100 on both sides. P is equal to 200. So plus the 2,000, he left a $200 tip. Okay. So these are the 4 we got. So we all have $200 as a commission, $200 for 10 nights, $200 for shipping, and $200 as the extra tip. So what do you see as different or same in these amounts? We will discuss this during class. Okay, so I'm going to do one more exercise. Actually, I'll leave this for you to do. Okay, and thank you for watching.